Hi, my name's Katie Baldwin. I am a 35-year-old mother of 3 daughters, and I've been married for 17 years. I was diagnosed with malignant melanoma, which is skin cancer, the deadliest form of skin cancer, stage 3 in September of '09. I went ahead and had the surgery and had my lymph nodes removed from my collarbone down. I've been on chemo and different therapies for started in November of '09, and I was done with the last one May 2nd or 3rd of 2010. And in April of 2010, I had a PET scan, and they found a 12 millimeter tumor in my right lung. They wanted to go ahead and excise the tumor in May of 2010, on May 25th. I went ahead and waited to go ahead and get the tumor out. After I was diagnosed with this tumor, I thought about other options, so I went ahead and I started the hydration and salt protocol, and I did it for 2 weeks, maybe 2 weeks and 4 days to be exact, and I went in May 26th, which was one day after my original, that I was supposed to have my lung removed, and the tumor was gone. The only thing that's left in my right lung is a little scar from where the tumor was. So I do know that the program works, and I've done it. I was, stage 4 metastatic cancer. There is, from the medical side, there is no cure, is what they say. And I did this. I felt good, and I was excited, and I'm definitely going to go back on it. So I just wanted to tell everybody my story just a little bit, and let you know, if you are dealing with cancer, and whether it's stage 2, 3, or 4, that there is hope out there, and that just keep your spirits up and think positive, and try the things that may be different, that you're not used to, but they can work. And I'm living proof, and there's others just like me out there too. Thank you very much for listening to me. I wish you all the best, and it's been great, and I wish you guys good luck. Good luck.